Good morning, everyone. Good morning, everyone. I am B. Nagakavita, currently pursuing my BTech final year, Department of Triple E at the Educati Triple IT Ongole. I have done a project on the GitHub user search using HTML CSS JavaScript under the guidance of EDUNET Foundation in the course of Applied Cloud Computing for Software Development. Now I am going to giving a brief explanation about my project GitHub user search. Here shown our contents including in my project. Here the outline, abstract, problem statement, aim, objective and proposed system solution, system design architecture. These are the contents of my project included. To know the overview of this project, we go through the abstract. Abstract. The GitHub profile search project is a web application developed using the JavaScript that enables users to efficiently search and explore the GitHub user profiles. The goal of this project is to provide a user-friendly interface for discovering GitHub users, their repositories, and related informations. The application of the GitHub API to retrieve the real-time data, ensuring up-to-date and accurate results. Now, the problem statement of my project. In the expansive domain of open source software developed hosted on the GitHub, navigating and discovering the relevant user profiles and repositories can be cumbersome task. Existing such functionalities on the GitHub may not always provide an optimal user experience, especially when users need a more intuitive and compensated tool to explore the GitHub contributors, their repositories, and associated insights. Proposal solutions. Intuitive user interface. The project aimed to deliver a visual appealing and intuitive user interfaces, ensuring a positive and seamless experience for user interacting with the applications. Enhanced search functionality means user should be able to perform a dynamic searches based on a usernames, keywords, or other relevant criteria, providing them with a precise and relevant results. Um, real-time and data, real-time update of the data. Leveraging the GitHub API, the application will ensure the real-time data retrieving, offering users the most up-to-date information about the GitHub profiles, repositories, and related activities. Compensates user profiles. Detailed insight into GitHub user profiles, including bio informations, repository details, followers, and following, will be represented to user, offering and compensative overview of the contributors and collaborations. Now the system architecture. Here I see the request of the client server client side. Then the gateway send the request to the registers, and these service registry hierarchical timing wheels will be operated. To this, the system architecture will be worked. Now the algorithm and deployment. Here we're using the algorithm like first step we go to the GitHub API access. Now to obtain a personal access token taken from the GitHub to uh, authenticated API requests. Ensure taken has been necessary. Taken has been necessary permissions for user search. Then choose the programming languages. Select the program language of our project will be required. like HTML, CSS, JavaScript, SQL, whatever it may be. GitHub API library. Users to GitHub API library in our chosen language for easy integrations to design our code. User interface. Design a simple user interface to input the GitHub user name and display the search results. Then search algorithm. Implement the search algorithm using the GitHub API library to fetch user data based on the entered username. Deployment. To choose and hosting the platform for deploying my project. Now we will see the code of my project. Here I am using the HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Here this is the link for the styling of our my project CSS, and this is my output. Now I would like to enter some name of like Vani. Here we see the account of Vani. This account don't have any bio, and this is a public account. This account having a 5 followers and 1 following. Then we will see the another name. Here also we don't have. Here also this account don't have any bio, but Sonia is having a one account. This is a public account, 7 followers and no following. This information will available by using these searches. Now we see the J account. They having a 78 public reposters and followers, 141 followers. They are no following. Here he is lived in the US like this. This is all about my project code working. Then come to my then come to the conclusion. Then come to the conclusion. It This project is very user friendly interface. The project offers an intuitive and easy to use interface, allowing the user to search for GitHub profiles effortless. Just like we are searching for anything like our name or keyword, we can use any of these things. We can easily find the search in the GitHub profiles. Real-time data updates. Leveraging the GitHub API, the applications provides real-time updates on the user profiles, repositories, and other relevant informations. Responsive design. The project is designed to responsive, ensuring a consistent and optimal user experience across the various devices from desktops to smartphones. GitHub API integrations. The implementation successfully integrates with the GitHub API, fetching the displaying details user profiles based on user input. Search functionality. The search functionality is efficient and dynamic, enabled user to perform the search based on the usernames or other relevant criteria. These are all about the references. Then this is the output of my project. Thank you, sir. Thank you the whole team of the EDUNET Foundation.